play in the sand. No way, watch out. Oh no. Let's go. Woo. Oh boy. Oh, it's making me sleepy. This clue means we can either get baby doll, snuggle babe, or sleeping BB. Who do you think we'll get? Put your answer in the comments. Hey Chelsea, thanks for inviting us to your playground. Certainly, glad you guys could come. Snuggle babe, are you coming? Oh, yeah, I'm coming. Oh, any good places to take a nap around here? It's a playground. You're supposed to play. Yes, sissy. Need to play. Oh, I'm just so sleepy. I've got an idea. I'm going to take Teddy in for his nap. Why don't you guys hop in the swing? Oh, that's a good idea. Thanks, Chelsea. Have fun, guys. Little snuggle babe, want me to push you in the swing? Yeah. Okay, come on, hop up. What about you, little can-do babe? What do you want to do? Slide. All right, let's head over to the ladder. Okay, here you go. Higher. All right. Higher, yay! I don't want you to fall out. It's so fun. Whoa. Okay, sissy swing. Oh, you want me to get in the swing? Yeah, let's go. Woo. Oh boy. Oh, it's making me sleepy. Oh, sissy. I'm gonna find a spot to just take a quick little snooze. Why don't you go with little can-do babe on the slide? All right. This looks like a nice cozy place for a snooze. Wait, missing one thing. Now that's better. Okay, girls, carefully up the ladder. I got it. Come on, little snuggle babe. Here I come. Hop. I'm here. Wow, it's up so high. Ready to slide. Whee! That looked like so fun. Whoa! Watch out! Whoa! Whew, we made it. Come on down, little show babe. Hi, guys. Hi. You want to play with us? Yeah. All right, go have fun, little show baby. Come on, we can go play in the sand. Oh, yeah. I'm coming too. Wow, nice card there, show baby. Thanks, it's new. Look out, I can't stop. Wow. Oh my goodness. Sorry, guys. Oh, so sorry. Little Lux, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Can I play with my friends? Sure. Looks like they're playing in the sandbox. Ooh, build a sandcastle. Oh my. Show baby, are you alright? I'm so sorry. I couldn't get my brakes to work. No, it's alright. Just dust myself off. I really should have this tricycle looked at. That's probably a good idea. If you want, I can take you home in my cart today. Oh, that'd be awesome. Well, I'm glad to see the little girls are having fun. Okay, time to build our castle. Nice start. Still not finished. Yeah, I know what you mean. I can help. I know just what it needs. Ta-da! Oh yeah, look at the towers. Thanks. You're welcome. Hey guys, I came to play in the sand. No way, watch out. Oh no, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to mess it up. It's okay, because you know why? No, why? We could build a new one. Yay! Oh, hi guys. I didn't know you were here. Yeah, our big sisters brought us. Yeah, to play. Where's your big sister? Oh, I don't have one. What? You don't have a big sister? That's terrible. Let's go ask our big sisters to get you one. That'd be great. Yeah, come on. Big sisters? Little baby doll didn't have a big sister. Yeah, she came to the park all by herself. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. I just don't think there's anything I can do about it. Yeah, me either. I don't know what to do. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, it's okay. Wait. Who said that? It's me. I think I can do this. Hang on, little baby doll. Okay. Watch out. Hope you don't mind, Lux. I borrowed your trike. Here's a big sister. Oh, wow. Thanks, Snuggle Babe. You're welcome. I hope she's a good big sister. I'm sure she will be. Let's see if we can get little doll baby a big sister. It's a Series 3 L.O.L. Surprise Confetti Pop. Here we go. Okay, we've got one doll on the outside. It's VR Cutie. There are 9 surprises inside. Here's our little wheel of surprises. A secret message. Our stickers. We've got some shoes, an outfit, a water bottle, sunglasses or some sort of accessory, a ring tattoo, a pop of confetti, and our doll. All right then, we're gonna open it up. Here is our secret message. It's beauty sleep. This clue means we can either get baby doll, snuggle babe, or sleeping BB. Who do you think we'll get? Put your answer in the comments. Now to open up another layer of surprises. Notice there aren't any more pictures of any dolls on the outside, just confetti. Here is our second layer. We've got our stickers from the same 4 things that they could do from before, our other series. But now there's a mystery surprise from some of them. What will they do? Okay, time to go through another layer here. Let's see. Oh, okay, something just fell out. We've got a little kitty cat ring. It's a little tattoo ring, very cute. All right, we've got some instructions here about what to do with the rest of our ball. So it starts with number 1, of course. And it starts here. So there's a little bullseye with an arrow showing you which surprises to open first. You pull them back and pull out your surprise. You close the little flaps and then spin. When you find your ribbon, you're gonna pull that out. Flip it over so the ribbon's on the bottom. Pull and pop. I think I got it. Okay, so here's the bullseye they were talking about. The arrows, I'm gonna start with these 2. I'll just pull these back. Okay, and you can see that there's the little package surprise in there. I'll just rip it open. And, oh, we've got a little sleeping mask here. And I think that Snuggle Babe likes these too. Alright, so you want to fold those down and then press them to make sure that you can spin. Then you've got another section to open. Here we go. It's our water bottle. So very cool pearly design here. I like it. Again, I'm going to press those down all the way and then I can spin it again. So there's 4 surprises up here. Here's our next one. Let's see. Feels small, so probably shoes. Oh yes. Look at these fun little slippers with the little pom-poms. Very cute. Oh, wait, I was pushing those down. I gotta take my ribbon out. So when you find the ribbon, go ahead and pull it out. But there's still one more section of surprises I need to get. Let's see, come on out. Sometimes they're smushed in there pretty good. Got it. All right then. Peel it open. Should be our outfit. Oh my goodness. Look at this little pajama set. So super cute. Little ruffles around it. Love it. Okay, we're all done with our surprises, so we're gonna turn this. You wanna turn it so that your ribbon is at the bottom and like the stand portion is pointing up and away from you. Ready? Here we go. Oh, ah! There's a fun spring action inside, which you can actually push back down again. And it pops everything out like a fun surprise. So before we get to our doll, let me show you that you can get your ball put back together again. Okay, and it comes with this little zipper that is your handle. And that can just pop into either side. So you can take it with you like you could before. Very fun. And you can reuse your spring action, but only if you've got the lid back on it. Okay, and you can stand your doll up in the top also. But we need to find out which doll we have. Let's see. Oh my goodness, we've got Sleeping Baby. Look how cute she is. I love that she's already got like some clothes, some undergarments on. Super cute. Okay, let's put her little pajamas on. All right, her top is there now. And we'll slide on these bottoms. All right, she's got her pajamas on now. Let's put on her little slippers. We've got one foot and now the other. And of course, we want to see her with her little sleeping mask. So let's see, I'll just fit that around her. She's ready for a snooze. But first, we want to find out what you can do. Let me take this off. All right, got some icy cold water here. I'm gonna put her into... Whoa! Did you see her hair change? That was so cool. All right, since we know that she changes colors, I brought in a glass of warm water. So let's see what happens when we dip her into... Whoa! Look, her hair went blonde and pink again. Let's see it. Did her eyes change colors too? Let me put her back in the warm. Watch her eyes. Her eyes changed colors too. It went from brown to blue. Okay, let's also do this. Let's take off the pajamas. Okay, remember she had the underclothes on. Look, they're dark pink. That's so neat. She's got brown eyes, brown hair, dark pink underneath. All right, now into the warm. See what happens? It's light again. Blue eyes and blonde hair. That is so cool. The change is super fun to watch. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get her dressed again. But it was really fun to see her changing colors. Get these pajamas back on. All right, got her slippers back. There we go. Excellent. I heard I get to be someone's big sister. Yeah, wanna be my big sister? I sure do. Did you guess that we would get Sleeping Baby in the ball? If so, say I got it in the comments. Come on, little sis, let's go play. All right. Whoop, we've got a couple more surprises here. Let's check out this mini cupcake surprise. Okay, let me go ahead and open it. Look at our little cupcake, so pretty and pink. I love the frosting on top with the stars. Almost, the sprinkles almost look like confetti. And I'll just take off our frosting top and we can start to see our doll in here. But we want to get her out and see her pretty dress. So it's pink with a darker blue and a lighter blue on top. And then we want to get her little hat, so we'll put the strap under her chin. Doesn't she look like a pretty little cupcake doll? So pretty. And now we want to check this out. What is this? It says, Open Me LOL Surprise Series 1, but it's an egg. I think this might be a fake LOL doll. Alright, let's find out. Okay, so we open up our egg. What do we have in here? Oh my goodness. So, some little accessories like a pink comb. And, oh, here's a little juice bottle. Looks like a little apple juice. You cannot squirt any water into that. And here's maybe a little like headband or something. And then last we have our little LOL little sister doll. Looks like a little neon cutie. But you can tell the difference because here is the real LOL doll, little neon cutie. And here is the fake one we just got. Okay, pretty interesting. Oh no, I think I'm hearing my phone ringing. Excuse me guys. Oh, sorry little Lex. I gotta run and get it.